Hey everyone, and welcome to Easy Drawing Time. Today, we're going to learn how to draw and color two of our favorite cartoon characters, Ryan and Gus from Ryan's World. Gus is Ryan's best friend and sidekick. He's a loyal and trustworthy companion, and he's always there for Ryan, no matter what. Gus is a lot of fun to hang out with, and he loves to play games and go on adventures with Ryan. Ryan is a young boy with a big imagination. He loves to play games, go on adventures, and learn new things. Ryan is always smiling and having fun, and he loves to share his adventures with his friends and family. I love my pen. Black color. I love my pen. Ryan has spiky hair that stands up in the air. Red color. Ryan and Gus's adventure in the magical world had changed them both. Amazing! If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more creative and educational content. Yellow color. They had learned to be more courageous and to appreciate the things they had. Green color. Ryan and Gus's friendship was also stronger than ever. Gus has a big head, so draw a large circle for his head. I love my pen. Light pink color. Pink color. That's it. You've now drawn and colored Ryan and Gus from Ryan's World. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.